Hi guys, let's continue with part 10 of our exam system. Remember guys, this is the last part of this tutorial. So I open our previous model where we arrived at that is we did the grading and subject entry. So I want us to come up with a mark sheet and also a report form. So guys, you just go to create, then you just go to report design. Then we need our report form to be this part. So just save it as our report form like that. Then after doing that, we need to create a query called report form that will supply our data here. So you just go to our previous query, that is class filters, you copy, then I just paste it. I just save it as report form query, report form queue. Then after that one, I make the report form queue the record source. So just go to this point and choose report form queue, then save my work. That means when I go to add existing fields, I'll be in a position to have my record source here as the report form queue. So guys, what I need to do is just to arrange my stuff here, and for that case, therefore I'll have to come here and write, I'll have my exam one, then followed by my exam 2. So I'll have my exam 2. Then I'll have my exam 3 here. That is my exam 3. Then what I need to do is to make sure that all exam 1s are aligned with exam 1. Therefore, just make that one vivid. Just go to that point. So what I am supposed to do now is to make sure that my exam 1 here, that is this one's here. This, for example, I have math 1, I have math 2, I have math 3. So I just cancel this that way. Therefore, here I have my math 1 here, followed by math 2, followed by math 3. Then this one should be indicated as math 1. So I just go to design, I go to this one. So my subject here will be mathematics. That's what I have. So I just click here, and then just click this design here, and then this one are the subjects. So here we have the subject. Then I highlight that one, I go to format, I put bold and bright in color, and this one can be centered, bold, and bright colors. So guys, I need to repeat that one, which I take English, those ones I hold shift, then bring all of them here. I remove the labels that way. So this one I'll have my English 1 there. Then I also have my English 2 there, and then my English 3 there, that way. Then I go to design, go to label, then this one is, I draw this one as English. This is English, that is H. Then I do the same, I just go to this ones, I give them the same idea. So guys, I repeat that one for all the subjects. I will repeat that one for all the subjects, whereby now I have the next subject following each other. in that when I run my report form, you'll be in a position to see marks here, marks here, marks here, marks here, like that. Then also remember we have the averages, so can just count to this point, take the average. So this is the average for English, it should be somewhere there. That is average for English, average for mathematics, that way, average for mathematics, it will be somewhere there. Then that way, then we shall have to have the grade 1. So grade 1 is for mathematics, that goes there. Then grade 2 is for English, this one now goes there, like that. Then you also do the same, you give them the colors. Then up here you need to take a label. This is the average, this is the average, and then after having the average up here we shall have the grade, that is the grade there. So guys, I will be off the camera, I will be back when I have finished now putting all the subjects. Okay, so guys, after arranging the subjects just like I have done, it is important to put some lines. Like for example, I can just go to this point here and then choose a line. Like I need to have a line here, so I draw a line. Then you can just go to format, shape, line thickness, you increase the line thickness. Yeah, for that case, you can also make these ones bigger, like something like 14, that way. Good. So we have exam 1, 2, 3. Then these ones, also this one, for example, I can just have it that way. Then up here you need to have the student admission number. So I just go to add existing. Up here, just scroll. I need the admission number of the student. I need the student name. I need the form, that is the class, delete the label, and also that is the stream. Also it's important to put the semester, that is the semester, should be the exam semester, the exam semester. So that is the semester. So here you have the student name, you have the semester, like that. So the student name should be somewhere there. This one should be somehow. This is the admission number of the student. So these ones also have them at size 14 and bold. This is the student name. Can just remove the word student. Let's have the name and then the semester, like that. The admission number, can just separate them. Good. So this is what we have, guys. And for that case, this is a nice report form for that case. And you can add other features down here, like total etc. Like for example, I can just have this one. Just go to format, shape, outline, thickness. You put a bit of thickness. You can also draw vertical lines just to make your report form more attractive, like that. Then I just go again, take the line, draw the line, like that. Also go to this point here, draw a line, okay, remove that, delete. So I draw I'll also go back, draw like that, we delete that, repeat the line. Good. You can also draw the others if you wish to do that one. If you wish to have one here, you can just have them. Go to English. You can just go down the science. Then also another one here. And also another one there. Then from there, guys, that is our report form so far we have. You can include other features here like total, ranking, etc. But I'm interested in having the filter form here. So we just go to this one. We open this. Therefore, you see this one. We copy this instead of designing another one. So you just go to right click, copy, right click, paste. This one just call it R filter, that is report form filter. R filter. Then in our R filter should read the report form, that is the report form query. And for that case, we shall have to go to this report form field and change it to read to R filter. So here we had done the filter form, so we shall have the R filter here. We have the R filter, and also here we have the R filter. Also here we have the R filter. For that case, this is, I remove this one, should be inside the R filter. Then from there, we need to inform Microsoft Access that whenever this button is clicked, right click, go to design view. Whenever this button is clicked, this one should produce report form. That is show report form. Show report form. And for that case, we needed to change the coding of that button to read a report instead of reading to a form. And for that case, we need to change that code. Therefore, just go to property sheet, then go to event, then on click here, hit the three dots. This time round, we are changing this one to do cmd dot open report. That is dot open report instead of then our report, we go to check on our report name. Our report name is report form, so you can just right click the report form, just go to that. So our report name is open report form. That is our form name. And then this one changes now. Arc preview. That is arc preview. Then maximize. Then we remove this one. Just remove this. That is what we need to have as the code for that one. So guys, I remove this and we try to see whether our report form is working. We click cross on. Then we just go to our report filter. We choose that one. We also go to form 1. Then I go to form 1 Uganda. Then we are in semester 2 show report form. So guys, you see now it has read our report form. If our report form is vivid, you see now it is reading our report form, showing the admission number, the semester, showing the marks for exam 1, exam 2, exam 3 average, and also the that is the the grading. Remember guys, we had not done all of them. If you watched my previous video, the intention was actually to take you through how you can do it. Then at your free time, when you have much time, you can be in a position to implement the same and come up with a full functional exam system. So guys, in case you need to perform other activities like ranking, you can just hit the button below this video showing you how to perform ranking in Microsoft Access reports. Then guys, from here we can just go ahead and look at how you can come up with a mark sheet. So you do the same, you just go to blank report form. Then this time around you need to change the page setup. So our page setup becomes landscape, and then that means it can be larger. Then after doing that, just pull this a bit. Again, go to our master here. Therefore, this time around we want to use our master. Therefore, you copy master, right click again, go to paste. This time around, just call it merit sheet. Then you change this one, you save this one as merit sheet, Then after doing that, you need to go to all here, then you change that one to merit sheet. That one should be the row source for this form. Cross that, go to design, go to add existing. Now you have all the stuff of the student. So guys, what you need to do is to have this one. You can hold shift up to that one, you bring them here. I need all of them, like drag your mouse, delete that one. Then also this one you can just do a bit of reducing them, then arrange them. We have admission number, we have student name. This one should be somehow bigger than the others. Then we have this two, that is a number. This one is a bit longer, like that. Can have that one. But the best thing to use here is the student. Apart from this one, the others use this. Use exam form and class form here. These ones, bring them here. So you remove the label. This is exam form, and this is the exam class. Then from there you can now arrange this one according to averages. Like for example, you have English. Like now I may need to have English average, and since this one doesn't have the averages, you may opt to use the one with the averages, and for that case we need to switch this one to this one, class filters, right click, copy, right click, paste. Therefore let's have this one as mark sheets. Then you open the mark sheets, right click, go to design view, remove these filters here. Remove these ones, you don't need them. You remove these ones. Remove that one, also remove this one. So that when we run, it should run. Good. There we are. So we change now our row source again, property sheet. Go to form here, choose form, report, sorry. Here you change it to mark sheet instead of, that is the mark sheet. I have changed it because there are no calculations in the previous one. So guys, after doing that, go back, and this time around, I can just bring the subjects I want. For example, I may create the mark sheet for exam 1 alone, then exam 2, like that. So I just decided to use exam 1. So I just bring the mark 1, that is maths 1. Then I just choose English 1, like that. English 1. Then I can just go to Kiswahili 1. This is for semester 1. For semester 2, you repeat the same. Therefore, this is Kiswahili 1, then science 1. Remember, every semester should have its different mark sheet, reading from the same query, but should be different. So this is mark sheet SS1. Then we have ICT1. Shall have our ICT1. ICT1, and then we have the sign language 1. So you repeat that way so that you can also have the mark sheet for the other one. Then don't forget to pull this one upwards up to where this one ends. It should look like that. Then guys, after doing that one, you will now need to, you can just take this one to the end that way. So you can cross now this. After doing that one now, I can be in a position to write this is here. You can just write whatever you want. This is admission number. Then we have the name. You can have form, class. Okay, we didn't put the semester, so you can have the semester like that. And this means this one should be pulled away. We have this one to start somewhere there. So I needed to go to add existing and then get the semester, the exam semester here. So pull this down, remove the label, put the semester there, like that. Then again pull this back. Then from there I can proceed. We have math, English, Kiswahili, we have science, we have social studies, then we have our ICT, and then we have our sign language. Then after doing that one, I just needed to save that one and run. There we are. Therefore guys, you can see now we have been in a position to create a mark sheet that is for semester 1, and therefore you just need to do a bit of modification to that one. Just right click, go to design view, then you'll be in a position to come up with a very organized and very good work. Remember guys, to see how to do the ranking, watch the videos whose link is just attached below this video. It will be in a position to guide you on how to come up with the ranking in Microsoft Access. So guys, don't forget to subscribe. Remember to share my files or my videos with your friends, and also remember to comment so that I can be in a position to guide you on whatever probably you may feel was a challenge. Guys, thank you very much.